Hi, welcome back everybody. This is Cheryl with Transport Bandits, and I have to tell you that we have had quite the ordeal in past a few days. About 3 or 4 days ago, now we are leaving for orientation in 2 days, up to Indiana from Tennessee. We have to be ready to go. Well, guess what? Gus will be experiencing some technical issues, and he will not be ready. So what are we gonna do? Oh my gosh, we don't have a truck. Yeah, we do. We got a truck. We've got Doc. He's a 2013 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn. But he's not ready for RV transport. But he's gonna pull us out of a jam because he's our Huckleberry. We're going to put Doc into service. So this is who we are, and this is what we do. We're going to get him ready in 2 days. We're going to get up to Indiana on January 6th for orientation, no matter what we have to do.